So I'll put this in your folder and you can look for it, but nominal track. See, we had to go through this for yours, or we had to keep on playing. Why they did it this way is beyond me. They did it this way, so unless I put it in my OCR, and actually that's old, you don't want that one anyway. You want something 2004. Okay, that's a good question. You're not in a dissolution matter either, so you got to keep that in. What can I do? Can I follow a minute? Okay, can you wait? No, I keep bringing me. So we got.
There's that Geechee slipping out.
Yeah, I'm looking at some of this because we had to go into it. Yeah, but see, I tell you, Florida can spoil people. But there's also been recent laws that have been changed in Florida that make it mandatory to do. I don't know if BA is still on here to do what you like. The issue you're having in Florida, they passed legislation. I won't be funny, but I think I know why. Because what was once more prevalent in a certain community has now gotten out into everybody. So Florida even shut off alimony. That lifetime alimony, no more in Florida.
I'm in here. I'm just listening.
Yeah. No more lifetime alimony in Florida.
I don't have that issue either.
No, but my point is, there's a lot of women that was heated when that rule came out, because you know what I mean.
I bet.
Yeah. So a lot of people had. So that's the good thing about Florida. So did that make it clear to you, LK, that you can actually get rid of it through superseding, or you can appeal it directly to the second district court of appeal? I mean, I keep saying to the district court of appeal if there's something that's improper, because even though it's a what's up, Jay? Even though it's a administrative action, they still have to be within conformity. So this notion that they don't have to, I don't know where it ever came from. So we're all good now. Any other questions before we get into the root of what this was? Ask it now. Only dumb question is when you don't ask. All right, so let's do this. Like I said before in the beginning, people were asking me about how I knew that you can't just, everybody's saying, well, you need to go file in federal court and do this, that, and the other. I'm like, dude, federal courts are courts of limited jurisdiction. State courts are courts of general jurisdiction. So in other words, you can actually go file a federal action in your state court, but you can't necessarily file a state action in the federal court. Your state court can hear anything, but in most instances, state courts are not really good with federal law. But say you sue a entity in state court under federal law, that defendant does have the right to remove the case. Are you all looking at my order?
It's a little, yes, yep.
Where did I file this order, people?
It's like Florida.
No. Top line.
Oh, United States.
If you see United States, that's a federal court. All right, people, for anybody who questions it, you see United States District Court, that's a federal court, and it's in the Middle District of Florida. Okay? Now, we all know who these people are, right?